What's up, guys? This is Hector. Welcome back to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. So we have this awesome Toyota Camry in the garage today. Unfortunately, it was sideswiped today. This belonged to one of our accountants. She had it parked out front and somebody gave it a little dinger. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with a couple things. We're not sure what's gonna work. So ideally we want to, our area's already been washed. So I'm gonna try first probably our medium clay and see what that can do. If that doesn't work and take off most of this paint transfer, I'll try our butter wet wax, which is really good at removing that stuff. And if not, then we're gonna come out with the big guns, our Torque 15 DA, and hit it with a very light compound or polish and see what we can do. So first things first, we'll get started with our clay. So my clay of preference is gonna be the gray clay, which is our medium clay. The medium clay is really, really sticky. You find yourself not having to press down as hard sometimes. Sometimes using a lighter clay, what will happen is that you can't get some of the contamination off and you find yourself pressing down a little too hard. Well, that can cause marring onto the paint and damage the paint. So I use the medium. It's very sticky, it works very well, and it's light to medium pressure at best. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this whole section right here. Again, this has been washed already, so we're just gonna get to the claying, all right? So we'll spray down here with our clay lubricant. We wanna be generous with the clay lubricant because if not, the clay bar can get stuck, and again, you can mar the paint and damage the paint, so wanna keep it well lubricated. We'll also spray down the bar, right? And we'll come back and we'll start claying. So some of this paint transfer is coming off. Now we're not gonna get a lot of it off. We're not gonna get a lot of it off, it looks like, but a good amount will come off. Okay, let's go ahead and re-knead. When dealing with a paint transfer like this, you wanna constantly re-knead your clay. If you don't, whatever you're pulling off is sticking on that clay bar, and then you're gonna just dig down back into your paint and cause some scratches. So again, I'm gonna finish up here and see if I can get some of this stuff off. All right, guys, so not much came off, as you can see. What we're gonna try next is our butter wet wax. The reason we're kind of doing this, and it's a trial and error thing, is because you wanna start with the least aggressive method and then only get more aggressive when the prior step didn't work. Now, granted, some of you guys were like, hey, well, you clayed, you should have tried waxing first. Well, I clayed because I thought most of this stuff here was gonna come off. It didn't, so we're gonna just go on to waxing now, all right? So our butter wet wax, grab one of our microfiber applicators here, and we're just gonna apply just a little bit on there, or a lot of bit, and we're just gonna blotch it in the area. So our butter wet wax, it cleans, it shines, it protects, all in one. So we're just gonna work it in and see if some of this stuff will come off, which it looks like oh, some of this stuff is coming off, all right. And we just work it in. Grab our microfiber towel here, grab a new fresh one, and we're gonna buff off. So it did take some of it off. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna keep trying with our butter wet wax and see if we can get a little bit more off prior to hitting it with our Torque 15 DA and probably an orange pad. So I'll try for now and see if we can get a little bit more off. Verdict is, there's obviously some paint transfer still on there. It's really, really smooth, but there's obviously some damage. Now, polishing may or may not take all of this off. We're not saying that, hey, polishing takes away everything, but it will make it better. Obviously, this is a white car. This is like black or gray paint transfer, so it doesn't look the best. We're gonna try to get most of it off with our Torque 15 DA and kind of go from there, all right? We tried the clay, medium clay. We tried the butter wet wax. It looks okay. So now we're gonna try our awesome V36 cutting polish on our Hex Logic Quantum Orange pad. This is an orange pad, obviously. The orange pad here is our medium heavy cut pad. And then we have this puppy right here, the big guns, the Torque 15 DA. This just came out, awesome machine, 50 millimeters of throw, has 900 watts of power. Awesome, awesome machine, probably my favorite in our whole lineup. So I've already prepped the pad with conditioner. I've added our V36. Now we're just gonna add it on here and try to get some of the stuff completely off the car, right? Our awesome machine here took about 80 to 90% of the eyesore off of this car. So there is a little crack here. That's obviously not fixable with just this stuff here, but you guys, we got it back pretty good. This is after about 2, maybe 3 passes I think I did. Now, where did all this stuff go? It went to your pad. So a lot of people will say, hey, I just cleaned the pad, I keep going. I personally like to exchange the pad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exchange this pad for a new pad. We'll get our new pad on here because I'd hate to get most of this stuff off and then go to polish the rest of this car maybe and have that contamination on this pad and cause more damage to the car than I really need to. So I just switch off to a new pad. It's better being safe than sorry. And that's just how I roll here at the detail garage. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and continue hitting the rest of this stuff and cleaning this stuff up. Again, what fixed this problem was not our clay. It made it better, but our wet wax took some of the paint transfer off, but the big guns did it. Our awesome Torque 15DA did it with our orange Hex Logic Quantum pad and our V36 cutting polish. That's what did the trick. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is finish this guy up right here on our new pad, and that's about it. If you guys like this video, please like it, subscribe, and share. And if you like any of these products and want to check them out, please check out chemicalguys.com. But until then, we'll see you guys next time here at the Detail Garage.